connected. The battery charger rather is connected. The phone is as it should be. I'm just getting it on the holder. There we go. Right, so what we'll do, we'll put that there, get it straight. Lift this onto the box here. Change the camera. Change the count, there we go. Let's zoom in a little bit. I think that might be better, yeah. Right, well what we'll do, we will, what the fucking hell was that? The other phone. You know, so I'm sure got a fucking ghost in here. I mean, why did that just suddenly come sliding off there? Right, so what we're going to do tonight, let me just put myself on the big screen. We can see what we're doing. Right. My channel, yeah. Be live. Right. If we need to move up to the frequency counter, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to do that as well. While I'm here, there's one person watching. I'm sorry about this afternoon, by the way, and this early evening. Things just went off without me giving them permission to go off. And I'm trying to get my fingers in here because I'm going to need the signal generator. There we go. So now if I get a lead, that'll do it. Coming from the signal generator. There we go. There we go, signal generator's on. Right. Now we've got a mic. It's done it again. It's done it again. Right. It's still working. Don't know what's going on there. We've got a ghost. Got a ghost. There's a ghost in here. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to first straighten up a little bit. Get my glasses. Right. What we're going to do, we're going to do a couple of tune-ups. We've got some free CBs to go at, and these are not them. These are they're two scrappers. We'll put them down, talk about them in a bit. Right. The first one we've got, we need to put a fuse in because there's no fucking fuse in the bastard thing. That's the only problem. We've only got one fuse between two power leads. No, I hate this. I mean, I hate this. I mean, look at any of those fucking. I mean, we're not turned on. We're not going to power going through there yet. So let's put one of these in. I mean, these are bulbs. These are actually 12-volt bulbs. But I would imagine, you know we're okay. We know we've got no shorts, so we could put one of them and it'll light up. That'd be novel, won't it? Yeah, look at that. The bulb. Right. So what we can do, get all our shit where we want it. Tune the signal generator in. That'll do. Right. There we go. I'll do the receiver first. And that's it. Yeah. Right. And that one I'm not touching because that's a VCO. We'll go over them again. Yeah, that's okay. Just tune that in. We'll see what signal we're getting from it. Right. Right. I'm actually going to put a proper fuse in that. And the reason why, let's try this one. I know this fuse is not blown, but the fuse is actually broke. I'm just hoping I might be able to just get it in there. The reason why is because we're pretty. I noticed it was drawing extra current. Why won't it go in when I want it to? Well, that's why. There we go. Fuck's sake. I'm just trying to work it out. No, that didn't work putting that thing in as a fuse. I mean, I should really pick up some fucking. I'm gonna have to fucking Trying to think. I know what I'll do. See if I can. Yeah. Right, now the light's on as it should be. Let's tune that back in. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So this, and this are for the receiver. So what we that needs cleaning. That's loose. Yep, good enough. Now let's set up. Turn that volume down. Now let's set up the transmitter. Right. Well, we're doing 5 watts according to that. So let's adjust this. So let's set up the transmitter. We'll actually check the frequency in a minute. We'll do the transmitter. We appear to have gone off somewhere. We've either broken down or we've unplugged it from something's got unplugged. Something's unplugged. What have I unplugged? Let's try it. Oh, here we are. Yep, I pulled out the red wire. There we go. Yeah, none of us are perfect. I'm not, you know, this is the way I'm tuning it up because it's convenient. Right. We're on channel. I'll tell you what, we'll check the frequency first. We'll do that first because somebody might only complain, well, you're supposed to do that first. So we'll just put the leads over that and let's see what the frequency actually is. That's not right. What are we on? 20. we transmitting? Yeah. Hang on. Oh. So fucking crap on here. Don't need all this shit on here. Right, so let's connect. Just connect that to there to ground. Well, let's just make sure we're not picking that up. There we go. That's not fucking doing much. Also, let's try. I caught something. No. Oh, hang on. HF, yeah. No, well, that's not doing much. Right. Why is my frequency? I don't know why my frequency counter's not fucking playing ball. Let's check this to be that. Yeah, we're good. Let's turn that signal generator off. It could be that. Doubt it, but it could. The frequency counter's not working. I'm gonna check the bloody thing on frequency. Let's go to the reload. That on there, that on there, on there, on there. There we are. Uh, 27,79189. We're not quite right. We'll be up a bit. Down a bit even. 189. We want to be 125. So we're adjusting the trimmer here. One, two. 2779 126. That will do. Just give you all a quick look at that. Just lift this up if I can. Don't know if you can fucking see that from there. Fuck's sake. Right. Come down a bit. Right. You just see the frequency counter there. If I flip that up. There you go. 125. 277912. Perfect. That is perfect. So I can't do it, so let's take the signal, take the frequency counter off. We'll leave it connected to the meter for now, but we'll took it off the dummy load. Right. Right, so basically, what we'll do next, we'll do the power. Next we'll do the power. So let's bring you down. And oops, nearly fell over. Let's turn that. Shit. We'll try and get you down here now so we can do the power. Right. There's a bit of a delay. Although you can see the meter from there. There we go. Right, so what we'll do now, we'll do the power. And to adjust the power, it's L7. I can't read these, some have got grease. L7, I think it's L6, L7, L8. This one here, these two here. This one we leave because that's the, I think we leave that. So we're going to start. That's peaked. Oh, lovely, that's peaked. That went up. We've got a bit of gain there. Peaked. Peaked. Pete. There we go, Pete. Now bring the power back down to 4 watts. There you go. We're down to 4 watts. Let's have a look what the signal meter tells us. The power. Yeah, we don't need to touch that. It's 4 watts. But if you do, it's this one here, just at the back of the aerial socket. I don't know what these do. I haven't got a manual for it. But hey, let's find out, eh? Why not? And I think the squelch is this one here. Well, that could be the deviation, but I'll put them back where I'm moving. Okay. Right. I think that's right. Unfortunately, we've got no aerial. Don't know why we get channel 2 doing that though. Weird. Let's see if we actually transmit on channel 2. Right, get the next one down. Murphy. I just want to check that we're transmitting on channel 2. Connect this other one. There we go. Hold on. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're working. And we're receiving on it. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. No microphone audio. That's weird. No audio. We had some earlier. Sure we did. What's all that? 10. 1, 2. Could be a bad mic or wire off or something on the mic. But well, then I know what it is. I just realised. Nothing wrong with the radio. Right, should we try again? One, two. One, two, three, four. Hello. One, two, one, two. One, two, three, four. That's all shit. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, one, two, one, two. One, two, one, two. Could even be this mic even, but I don't know. Where's my thing? Where my fucking trimmer has gone now. You know, you go through life losing things. There it is. Right. One, two. Well, right. Just wanted to make sure. No, that's squelch. That's got to be deviation there. One, two. One, two. Ooh. One, two, three, four, five. One, two. Hello, hello, hello. Doesn't sound very good, that. One, two, three, four. Imagine that being said. That being said, it could be this even, you know, but that's not too bad. Let's just bring that down a bit. That's all the way down. And one, two, one, two, one, two. Hello, hello. There we go. There we go. That'll do. That'll be fine. You're supposed to speak to him when you're just away from your gob, not right onto it. You're supposed to speak to him like that, actually. That'll do. That's working. Right. I don't think I've got another mic that'll work on here. I'd like a second opinion on the mic, to be honest. Let's just try. Because them Midlands are not wired the same as them Cybernets, are they? There's another Cybernet. They're not wired the same, I'm sure they're not. No. completely different wiring that. What about the Uniden one? Don't think that'll fucking be the same either. It could be. No, the sound's coming out of the mic. Right. It could be that mic, I don't know, but I can't find out. Because I've only got one mic for them, but that's wired to the Midland. Right, turn that down. And this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's not bad, is it? That's all right. A bit ringy, but it will be, won't it? Because that needs tightening. It's going to be taken apart and painted again, but for now, make sure they're all tight so we don't lose nothing. Yeah, and that one there, bottom was, yeah, they are. Right. So basically, one, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Working. Right. The PA switch needs a spray. One, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's good enough. Right, so that's the Midland working. Let's turn this generator back on. And we can use the speaker from the Midland to do the rest of them. Because I haven't got another fucking speaker to connect. Let's get me sucker. Try and suck a bit more of that off. No, I can't. No, I can't have to leave it. Ah, fuck it. Not see me sucker. You know when you can't see it, you just don't want to know. Right, so what we'll do next, now we know the Midland's working, we'll disconnect that from the meter. Right. Anybody watching? Free. Good evening, if you just joined me. Good evening if you haven't just joined me. Good evening if you're not going to join me. So what we'll do next, we'll look at this, what we're going to do next is disconnect this Midland for now. We're going to get tangled up with wires. There we go. Right, that's the Murphy. Right, so we'll do the Murphy next. So we'll put the Midland on top of that York. These are the radios I got today in the post. Now let's have a look. Right. Not going to mess with the deviation on this. I know it's okay. It sounds alright. Do me. Now. There we go. Now. Are we... Right. Channel 20. I'm not going to mess with the VCO. We know it's tuned. They're waxed, sealed, and we're not going to mess with them. Because we know it locks and it works anyway. So what we'll do, we will first... Where's my fucking tool gone? Alright. That's good. 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 Right. You can't fucking see the meter. Right. Okay, now. Right, well, we've got a bit more audio out of there anyway. So what we'll do next, look at the power. Well, I need to see that and all. I mean, it's, to be honest, it's more imperative that I see it than you see it. Right, we'll do there 4 watts. Well, that was definitely a receiver one, and that one there is as well. This one's going to be might be. Looks sort of burnt out down there. No. I was just I thought we had something burnt down there, then we haven't. That won't turn. And I'm not going to risk fucking it up, so we'll leave it. These things are just fucking stiff, folks. I'm never going to run the risk. Alright. See if we can. I know we're going to turn them because we're doing 5 watts. Just under. I need that meter a bit closer to me. If I'm looking at it on an angle, I need to be pretty much square on for it. It's peaked. It's peaked. These ones here. Just double check and make sure they're not transmitter related. Make sure they're not. No. No. We're okay. We're good. Right, so bring that in a bit better. There we go. Good enough. Signal. S5. Don't know what the signal meter adjuster is. One of these. Ain't it? That's the one. That's 9. And the signal meter might be the one next to it here. The RF. Yep. What's that for? There we are. Spot on. The lights are a bit out of position. Yeah, them lights need putting back in position. How the hell do they move? That one's moved right out now. I'm going to take the fucking front off to put that back. Yeah, twat. Well, that one's gone back in. Yeah, that one's gone back in. Right. Never mind the lights, I'm worried about that. Channel 9 works. Hello. 0.5 watts is what we should be doing. We're just smidging over. So, where's the high power adjustment? If there is one, it'll be here. Low power adjustment rather. There it is. Half a watt. There we go. Yep. I'd like to pull that down a fraction more, but we can't. Nope, it's going to break the tool. Anyway, why take the risk? We're working. Right, just turn the power supply off for a minute while I see if we can get this power supply. Unplug the mic as well. And we know the deviation's about okay because we've just had it into that middle and we know it sounded okay, so we don't need to worry about checking that. I just want to get the LEDs back in the right place. We've got to take the front off to do it. You need to fuck, it's never a dull life, is it, folks? Hey? It's never a dull life, is it? But I'm okay with the... I'm okay with the rest of it. These knobs are not the right ones, we'll get some for it. Right. I would like to be able to get down there and put that in, but I can't. And that needs to be pressed and glued. Need to sort that out. Check the... No one saying hello this evening. We'll just give this a quick. I didn't even check if this was on frequency. The reason why is because I don't think there's an adjustment for it. If there is, it's sealed. Yeah. Oh no, it's there. It's there. Didn't check it. Pretty much. I will check it. Sort this front out first. I will check it. That'll be checked, hasn't it? And what I need to do really is just get this front off. You take these off carefully and you put them back on the same way you take them off. I will look out for some knobs for this. Because to be honest with you, I don't want to keep these CBs. This has been bought to sell on, and I'm open to sell it on. Right. Now, disconnect the capacitors. There we go. Yeah. Pull the front out gently. I mean, I've got a feeling. You know what I mean? Look, we moved meters. With the fucking lights. Now let's see, we'll just push that nicely square back on. And see if they'll just pop back through the holes like they're supposed to, like that, look. That's it. I need to order some screws in as well because there's... Yeah. Feeling we're glued back together. Yeah, someone's put an LED in this instead of a bulb. I'm not bothered, I'm leaving the bulb in, I'm leaving the LED in. I mean, some people like to change them, but I'm not going to change it because it's lights the display up. Admittedly, it's not right, but it does the job. So I haven't got any grain of wheat bulbs anyway. So, but that's it. Just had to pop the bulbs back through the holes. Apart from a bit of a polishing up, this is actually ready to go to a new owner. Find somebody for it. I mean, I won't have any trouble selling it. See to sell, I've seen it sell pretty well, these things on eBay. There we go. Whoops, loosen that up a bit. I've gone swung on that fucker. Whoa. That's it. Yeah. There we are. Oops. Now, we're still on. Still live, lovely. Now let's quickly check the frequency because I didn't check it. And I know if I don't check it, all I'll hear is you didn't check it. So we are going to check it right now. There we go. Hey, come off you. Oh, let's check the frequency. Right, so we need the mic. Put the meter back down here so I can connect the counter. Not worried about the right. Right, well, we've got something disconnected because we've got nothing on now, so something's gone off. Yeah. Yeah. Channel 20. We're a bit out. Let's put it on low power. Yeah, we're a bit out, so we could do with adjusting the frequency. And the frequency is adjusted down here by a little trimmer next to the reference oscillator there. We want to adjust it for 2779 125. We can pull it up that high. We are pretty low. Wow, we're pretty low there. That's one lot. That's 125. One. One. 122. 123. Might be the closest we'll fucking get it, to be honest. It's not very. 143. That's might be the closest we get it actually. Too low. Okay, now. Now. 4. 1. 135. 125. Well, it's jumping about a bit. What I'm going to turn that and see if there's any crap in it. There we go. Right. Look me. I want you lower than that. 108. Wow, that is finicky. 147, 16. Jesus, that is a finicky adjustment. 155. I barely moved that. The adjustment is just right. I want it higher than that. Too low. One 139. It's the best I'm gonna get it. Can't get any better. It's the best I've had it. 139. It's 13. 138. We're down a bit. 137. Oh, coming down. 137. I'm gonna leave it at that. Right. That's the frequency. Now let's have a look at the receive. Oh, we've done the receive, haven't we? Yeah, we've done the receive on this one. And we've done the transmit. And we haven't done the squelch, we're not going to. As I'm concerned, the squelch works, that'll do. Right. Turn that off to be safe. I don't have to worry about putting my hands in it then. There we go. Right. We'll find some screws for that. Get the case cleaned and painted. There we go. Oh, it's the wrong one. Not too bad, this radio. Actually, quite a fair neck is not bad. I've seen worse. Trust me. I've seen better as well. Simple as that. So basically, I didn't need a lot really. And these were radios I bought for spares and repair. These were spares and repair radios. And right, so just tuck that wire in. There we go. Right, and what we'll do, we'll order some screws in for those. That. So we can put that up there out of the way because we're done with it. Right, let's get the middle and we'll get that Jay-Z, get that York 861. Oh, this didn't come with a full case, so I'm going to adapt the case here to fit it. And I've got the speaker for this case as well somewhere, which is the right value we need. Right, so what we'll do next is we'll use the speaker from the Midland. Why have we got a wire off there? Just noticed that we've got a wire. We've got wires off in this. Why have we got wires off? Got wires off. I'll have to investigate that. Find out why there's two wires off. I didn't see those, and I haven't knocked them off. Well, now I know why the attenuator power switch doesn't work, and I know why the low power switch doesn't work, and I know why the tone doesn't work, because it didn't work earlier. We've got a wire snip. Look at that, someone snipped that wire there. Someone's had a go at this. This has had I think this has had, I think this has had a chip in it. This has been messed with. Yeah, this has been played with. Lovely. This has been played with. Lovely. We can straighten it out, that's no problem. No fear of that. I've got Cybernet spares as well, so. And I've got Cybernet rigs, so I can look at where those. I can look at where they go. Plug. These has got the right cable connector on it. And I don't even know if this thing has audio. I think it does. I remember. Need a mic. Put that in. Take that off there, because that's what we need. This is going to be fun. Getting like fucking, like wrestling fucking snakes now, this. Oops. There it is. Like wrestling a snake now. Oops. Yeah. See? They don't work. Don't know where that wire, that orange wire there's been snipped. I don't know what that's for. I'll have to find out. Right, what are we doing power wise? First of all, let's check the VCO. Millimeter. Fuck. There we go. Right, so we want to be 4 I think it's 4 volts, isn't it? 4 volts, yeah. So we'll put channel 40. You don't know what people do. We want to be on that side, the far side of R4. Fuck me, that's high. It's not making any difference. Six point 6.42 on the VCO. Trying to pick the fucking grease out of the way. There we are. That doesn't seem to make any difference, that transformer. So like on transmit. Let's set the VCO, transmit. It's fucking hard to adjust this and hold the mic. volts we can get out of that is 1.3. Let's put on channel 1 and see what it says. 5 volts on channel 1. Ah, well, that's not right, that, because that side of R4 is the far side. R4's not short, no, it won't be, I doubt it. Just dig this fucking crap away, there we go. Yeah, probably got a bad capacitor somewhere. I'll have to solve it though. That there. That there is showing 4 points, so there we go. Yep. 4.1 we've got there now. That was way out. .02. 4.09, that will do. I will buy that for $1. Let's check the transmit. 4 point, yeah. It's good. 4.3. Now, I can't do what Richard does. I can't. So let's put it on channel 40. We're still fucking on 6 volts there, we shouldn't be. Yeah, 6.4 there on channel 40, that's wrong. But that being said, let's find somewhere. See, that's even disconnected from there. Capacitor's broke from there, so we need to address that. But what I can do, I can use that for my negative probe at the moment. Fuck's sake. There we go. So that's 6. And that's That's 4, that's right. There we go, 4.1. 4.1. 4.1, that'll do. Let's just check. Get the old microphone. 4.1 minus 4.1. We're not transmitting anyway. There again. Let's adjust the transmit VCO now. See, I can't fucking hold that. Good evening. Who we got there? Good evening, Mike. Only just spotted you, fella. I'll read what you've got to say in a couple of minutes. I'm just trying to sort this fucking thing out. Right, so right, minus. Now I need to hold the mic and I need to adjust that. Right. And it's fucking difficult. We're not trying, let's just take that out there a minute. Get rid of that fucking thing. Because we're not transmitting. Let's bring this one back up. And now we're transmitting. Right, we're transmitting. Let's see where we are voltage wise now. We're going to be well out. Problem with this one. 6.4 volts on the VCO. We shouldn't be anywhere near that. We shouldn't be anywhere near that. Mm. Mm. No transmit there now. Mm. I'm tested in the right place. The far end of R4. It's all the way down. -3. Not minus, yeah. 0.3. 0.4, that's 1 volt. Five volts. I need to have a look at this because that's not right. I've got another Cybernet chassis down here. What I want to know is why we got a wire, why we got wires cut there. Why is it an orange wire cut? And that wire comes off there. Mm. Now we've got a wire here. Now, where are the wires from? Right. Right, we've got an orange wire here chopped. I wonder what that orange wire there is. goes to that grey one there. Yes, somebody's been at this. I mean, they're slightly different. This has got the extra RF stage. But that's, I'm not looking at that. Right, so we've got another wire there chopped as well. It's been chopped. Fuck this thing. Didn't notice that. That's from the now. It's been chopped off up this. Now we've got that wire there, which is goes to that wire there. That goes to that wire there. The same colour. So that goes to there. I'm just checking there's no fucking dodgy chips hidden anywhere. No. Let's have a look at the frequency. Might not be a bad idea. I'm going to have to adjust that VCO so that I can transmit. $27.99. Let's put on channel 20 in a minute. First of all, let's see when the set frequency. 27.9. Two. 215. We're a bit low. Up a bit. Oh, 17, that's a bit high. Seven. High. Right, well, we're on frequency pretty much. Twenty-seven 9, 27 20, 27 7 9, 1 8 6 5. 2 5 we're looking for. We're not getting it. We're not getting it. We're not getting what we want. 155. Five. Two, 1, 2, 2, 1, 6, that'll do, 2, 1, 7, yeah. Right, so 2, 1, 8, that's okay. So it's on frequency. Now, set the power. Set the power. Low on power. There we go. That's weird. That's weird. I can peek that. Now, let me take this back down. Nothing. It's definitely not right. When I peak it and I leave go, it doesn't transmit again. Now. Trying to set this VCO. Again. I think there's a fault. Yeah, that's 64643. That's no good. I am setting the old for it to 1240. Let's take this down. Oh. 2, 3. Well, that's 4 volts. Now we're not transmitting. So let's see where we're on the VCO transmit. We're in channel 1. We need to come up a little. 6.4 on 40. That's definitely not right. 4.8. So we well, this has been messed with, this, folks. Somebody has had some fun. So look at this one. an idea where the coils should be. I mean, the height of them really. So that one should be further down there. That one should be further down. That one next to it. Out there. Come up a turn. VCO should be here. There, I've got it pretty much. That's receive, that's receive, that's receive. I think that's receive. Yeah. Let's have a look. See, basically, that will not work. Let's try and bring that up. I'm looking at that. That makes no difference. This has got a fault. This has definitely got an issue. Yeah. What I might do is plug this one in and see what the difference is. Take that back down to where I need it, about there. That's weird. Because it shouldn't be sitting. Let's connect this one up. I need to do it's a different fucking lead. I can connect them and compare them. I mean, this one's 5-pin in, but it doesn't matter. I'm not bothered about the transmit. That's the fucking wrong way, isn't it? There we go. Right. Now where the fucking hell's me clips? That ain't the one. That ain't it. Where's me clip? Oh, we're on. Channel 40. Channel 40. Now, let's see. Hey. There's every chance that this one's been screwdrivered as well, but that one certainly has. So, I'm going to have to... I've got to work out where the wires go, there's no problem with that. Right. No. Not bothered about the speaker, I don't need that. Get out of the way. That's how the resistor 4. Four. Well, that's 4. I'll put it on 40. 1, sorry. 2.2. That's even fucking nearer. Now I might have to be able to fix this bastard. Might end up fixing this fucker instead. Now let's bring the VCO to where we want it. We fucking... volts. 2.3 on channel 1. 4.2. That's the same. But I couldn't get anything to transmit on this earlier. This 5-pin socket's a nuisance. Right. 5-pin socket's a fucking nuisance. I haven't got a 5-pin mic. Right, well, I think channel 40. Right, 4 volts. 2 volts on channel 1. Well, I think we should now. The only thing is I can't transmit on this, can't key it up because I don't know what fucking wires I transmit. The output transistor fucked in this bastard thing or something. There's nothing at the PA at all. Weird. Yeah, we're not getting anything here at all. Right, I'm gonna have to. That's got an extra capacitor there as well, and this one hasn't got that. But wouldn't that do the same board? Let's just turn the power supply off a minute. Disconnect the speaker. Sake. Oh, well, that's got it there. See, somebody's worked on this. This has had work done to it. So I'm wondering if it's had a channel mod. I mean, this hasn't had any work done to it. Now let me just check the check our output devices on this. I think this produces audio. I'm gonna fix whatever's easiest. So what we need to do is check our output device, which is that fucker there. Let's check that. Let's see if the output device has gone. It could be. That's reading all ways round that. No matter where I put it, that's reading all ways round. Yeah, that's it there, that's the output. Really short. Let's see what it reads on this one. Because I'll fix whatever one's easier. I mean, I'm not bothered. Oh, hang on. Yeah, no, we're okay. Yeah. Different reading, so the output transistor on that one must be false. Right, so this one's got an issue. This one's got an issue because somebody's chopped it about. Let's unplug this fucking mic, it's unwieldy. Right. At least the Midland and the Murphy are working. They're okay. Not there. Right, so basically, what's happened here, so somebody's chopped this fucker around, chopped this up because we've had that wire there, we've got coils, we've got tuning fucking capacitors on there, trimmers on there. Why would you have trimmers on the low power? That switch has been used for something else in the past. Probably to switch a fucking board that somebody's taken out. And it's had a lot of work done. It's had a lot of work done around the PLL. Yeah, a lot of work done around the PLL. Somebody's been in there. So, right, so basically what we'll do, we will snaffle, if we can. Ooh. Let's just test that driver. It's that fucker there. I don't need to know that one's working. The other one I want to test. But I've got another one of these boards besides. So basically, somebody's been scraping. I can show you. Am I still on? Ain't gone off, have I? No, I'm still on. Right. Right. Basically, there's an orange wire there being cut. There's a grey wire going to that as well. That's just to the I'm just trying to work out. There's an orange wire with a red stripe, orange wire with a white stripe. It's going to there. So let's have a look at the same place. Orange wire. The stripe, the white stripe is coming down. There's that one there. Now that wire there, that orange wire, goes to the low power switch. It goes to the low power switch. So that goes to the low power switch. Now let's have a look. I don't understand why they've put trimmers on there. Someone's been in there and they've taken it out. They've used the low power switch to switch frequencies. But what they've done, they've taken whatever was in there, they've taken out. Probably used it elsewhere. And not put the modification back how it should be. That is why we can't get the VCO to set properly. Yeah, that's what the issue is. It's had a modification. There's that orange wire there. And if we follow that orange wire, there isn't an orange wire. There's your power. Making sure it's not a pull switch as well. And that's coming from, there's your power. Your grey lead from your power. Yeah. Yeah, there's your grey lead, there's your white and blue from the power. Which goes to there. Which is your low power, that's your low and high power switching. And you've got another wire there which goes to the hot side of the, goes to red and white, all soldered to one terminal left, switching on, which is on off switch. So let's check that on this one. It should all be the same roughly. Yeah, we've got a grey, yeah. Right, and the orange one. Yeah, the orange and white. The grey. Yeah. Slightly different colours in this radio, but right, so basically what's happened is that crystal's a 10.24. Has it been worked on this? I wonder if they've had the crystal out and changed it. I wonder if it's got a wrong crystal in it. Or even the fucking wrong PLA for that fucking matter. I mean, 10.22 that one, isn't it? And this one is 10.24. Well, I think this has got a 5-pin DIN mic. I don't have a 5-pin DIN mic. That's not a problem putting a 2 to 4-pin socket on. It's doing that. Yeah, so basically, the only problem is you can't really get into there. I mean, the idea is you go slightly down, and that's how you get the output out, screw out. And you can actually, yeah. Get it out. See if that'll go, no, I won't go anywhere near it. Right, because I want to test. See if we can move this off the back. No, we're not quite. It's got to come off a bit more. Another turn probably do it. I don't want to turn that anymore. I'll get the pliers. And it's a plastic screw, so I've got to be careful. Just lift the screw out. You know, well, at least the transistor's off the heat sink. Now, if I just push that back through and just put the screwdriver in there, I'll just you're not fully out. You fucker. What I need is it to come out. It definitely goes that way. Don't like fucking coming out, do they? When you come. I'm just trying to move the transistor. Gotcha. Okay, now I hope that goes back in. Right. Right, let's see. Now, will it come out? got that one done. Or am I just chatting shit as usual? Loose. Loose. Yep. Right. I'm not climbing over there for transistor checkers. Just do a dirty test with a meter. Nope, the transistor ain't fucked. Let's not say it's not open. Try on the diode test. Not say that side's open. We open that side because there's nothing reading on that side. Nothing between this one. Just move that out of the way. Not there. There is there. Put that through there, it's easier. Nothing there. There's there obviously because they're connected. Not there. Not there. Yeah. Not there. Not there. Right. Right, so let's test the driver. The driver's here. Test the driver. Because nothing. No. No. Oh. Now what I'll do next, I shall take the transistor out of here. Just got it. Got it first time. Yeah. it's been fucking well and truly fucked about with that. Yeah. I've just noticed the board's actually smashed here. I can't see why that would make a difference, but it's smashed there. This is the board without the extra stage, and I've got one of these boards complete. Just whether it's fucking worth doing, that's all. Sometimes some things are not. Might be worth a video, it might not. How many people have got looking in it? Let's have a look. No one, probably. 7 people watching now. Good evening, folks. Good evening, Theo. Just spotted you there. How are you doing, my friend? Yeah, these CB radios are presenting a bit of a challenge. It has to be said. Let's get this transistor. I think some of them are going to be scrapped, to be honest. You go through there, and then you just wind the screw out. There we are. The pliers. There we go. Might need to put a new one of them pads in. Right, let's test this transistor. I'm just testing them continuity really, because that's the one out of York, and it was transmitting. That's the one off the York, and it was transmitting. That's reading fucking open all over the place. Let's check it on diode test. Nothing. We've got a dodgy transistor. Reads that way as well. No, the other one didn't read. The other one read exactly the same, so the transistor isn't fucked. So we're gonna have to look and dig a bit deeper. One. That's obviously short. Yeah. Put that one into there. And that one reads exactly the same, so it's not the transistor. Right, so the transistors are okay. Now, I know the driver for that one's okay because it transmitted. But I need to double check everything. Right, I'm going to call it a night in a minute. I've been at this far longer than I want to be. Yeah, I know. I'm going to read some of the chat in a minute and have a break for 10 or 15 minutes or so, because, to be honest, Is that one reading the same? It's easy to just compare. It's just as easy to just compare the readings. Near enough. Near enough. Near enough to say fucking one readings. Yeah, it's a shitter really, isn't it? Hmm. Yeah, near enough the same readings. Comparable, anyway. Right, so what I've established, here's what my findings are. Not put the transistors back in yet, but I will. Maybe. Right. This has had an illegal modification in it. That somebody's taken out. Because those trimmers would not have been put there by the manufacturer. Why would the manufacturer put two trimmers there? Why would they? Is that a whack? So it could be a, what do you call it? Corner of the board is broke. That wouldn't affect it, but when you try and peak the transmitter, when you peak it, you unkey, then you rekey up, it won't key up. So we've got an issue somewhere. I'm just looking at the PLL for shorts and where traces might have been cut. I can't seem to find any. Right, well, basically, I have got another one of these boards exactly the same. And I mean, it's identical. It works. So what I might do, I know it sounds like cheating, but yeah. What I might do, I might swap that board over. Might. Got a capacitor broke off there. I've got a feeling there's a capacitor missing from there. Yeah. No. That's not supposed to be there. But the problem is, so that orange wire there would have gone to, that orange wire there that's been clipped would have come along onto the low power switch. This blue and white wire is that one there. This there should be another one. There's a grey wire which is soldered from the power switch. From the low power attenuator to there, to the on-off switch. I need to check all this. And if you wanted further evidence that somebody had been soldering in here, that chip had a fucking solder joint on it. That chip's got a solder blob of solder on one of the pins. PLL. Somebody's been in here, someone's made a bit of a monkey's breakfast of it, I think. Yeah, somebody's had a bit of fun in here. I hate it, you know, when somebody takes a perfectly good rig, fucks about and does that to it. Destroying, in other words, perfectly good radio. Because well, with that VCO being let's turn this stuff off. With that VCO being that far out, folks, it's a bit of an issue. I've got this other one down here, which is not Cybernet, I believe. Don't know who the fuck made this thing, but it will yield some good parts. Model number TC300, 40 channel, 27 megahertz FM. See, that's even had mid-band put on it. The modifications there. That PLL. So that won't be getting, that'll be getting scrapped. But plenty of good bits in it though. I mean, if the transistor's any good, which probably is. Oh no, it ain't. Somebody's, oh, I just noticed that. Look at that. No wonder this one wouldn't transmit. Someone's had the transistor. Someone's pinched it, and the driver. Yeah, somebody's had the bits out of this. So, no wonder that one wouldn't transmit. Well, if I replace those two bits, it might. So that might be worth a look. I want that modification out of there. I don't do modified rigs. Not into it. We've got these wires here, look, they're just running up to this switch here. All they're going to is this switch. To change it from mid-band. So I wondered why this one keyed up and wouldn't transmit. Yeah, I've just noticed that somebody's had twats, aren't they? Someone's had me fucking transistors. But it's been really, really abused. This is really. I reckon I'll get it going now. I might attempt this. Yeah, I might attempt this just for shits and giggles. This is an interceptor. Here's a CB2781 set. Fancy that, eh? Somebody having me. The thing that what the issue is, I don't know. I don't know if there was any isolator pads on there. I think there was. I think the transistor is supposed to be isolated. I need to find that out. I'll just stick a transistor on the heatsink, it might go pop. Looking at that, it would. Because, yeah, they're supposed to be isolated. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's why that fucker received and didn't transmit. Someone's had me fucking showing me 2 transistors. What else might be missing? Anyway, folks. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there because I'm getting a bit fucking knackered. We've got the Midland done, we've got the Murphy done. At least we've got 2 out of them. And we've got that little handheld which works. So, at least we've got 2 sets out of them. So, you know, I'm not bothered having a few bits for spares. I mean, these transistors, I don't think you can get these fuckers anymore. And if you can, I believe they're pretty pricey, so they were worth it. They're worth having in the spares because I've got radios that use them. So this one's spares anyway, we won't mess with that. So what we'll do, we'll get the other chassis out that I've got that I know does work, and we can do some comparisons. Oh. I'm going to leave it there, folks. I really am, because I'm fucking falling asleep. Turn that fucking soldering iron off. I might revisit it tomorrow night, folks. I might come back on. Where's that other fucking... That other... What I call the homemade CB. It's in the bedroom. Right. I'll just have a look at the... I'll just have a quick look at the chat before I go. Because you know me, folks, I don't like to be ignorant. Yeah, they're not everybody's thing, Mike, but... You know... Yeah, that leak amplifier does actually work, Mike. It does actually work, and it does actually sound quite good. I've done some recapping on it, if I remember rightly. I'd have to recheck. Yeah, I have. I've done some recapping on that, and it does work. Hi, Mike Atlantis. Yeah, goodbye, everyone. I'm calling it a night because I'm calling it a night because, to be honest with you, I want to get a brew and whatnot, and I'm gonna have a brew and a bicky and I'm going to bed. I'm absolutely knackered, folks. Thanks for coming on anyway. Thanks for join me tomorrow night, and we'll we'll carry on with these two rigs with this York, because the York does transmit. It's just that the VCO, I will check everything, but the VCO is 6 volts and it shouldn't be 6 volts. It should be 4 volts. So I believe, but I'll double check all that, and I'll have a look at the manual. But I'm pretty sure I'm right. But I'm going to leave it for tonight. We've got like I say, we got the Murphy done, we got the Midland done. They can be cleaned up and put up for sale and got rid of. They work, and they've got mics with them, so they can be tidied up, and they probably won't. I won't sell them this side of Christmas because I've got to spray paint them and whatnot. Just make them look nice. Give them a bit of a freshen up, really, and see where we go from there. But that's about it. Thanks for watching, folks. And more to come later. Bye for now.